Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. If you are watching this program for the first time, my name is Dr. Avis Abolade, the son of Baba Aramide. Wherever you are watching this program, welcome to my channel. Find something to sit. Look for one pen and book to write this thing down. And look for one pen and book to write this thing down. Either you are a pastor, you are a afa, or you are a babalawo. Please help me share this program. Help me share this program. Drop your comment and like it. To tell you people today, if you have chronic pain, don't stress yourself. If you have chronic pain, please don't stress yourself. Don't let them to cut it. Don't let them to cut it. Please, uh, what you are going to use is this leaf and the root. Yoruba call this leaf ewe iranje. Go and look for this leaf, ewe iranje and Agbo iranje. The root of this leaf, get the root of this leaf and this leaf. The root of this leaf, Agbo iranje and this leaf. Rinse the root, rinse it very well. Rinse it very well. Get one pot, either native pot or foreign pot. Get one pot. Put all these things, the root and the leaf, put it inside one pot. Add water on it. Let it be much. Cook it. Cook this up. Cook it very well. Cook it very well. If you want to use it or if you want to drink it, just take one shot every day. If you have chronic pain, take one shot every day. Then take the herb. If you want to use it, warm it. Let it be warm. Get one pole, one potty, get one pole. The one that is hot, put it inside one pole. Sit on it. If you have chronic pain, get one potty, sit on it. Let this herb, let it hot. Just put small inside one potty. Sit on it. Sit on it. But drink it every day. One shot every day. That is it. If you are watching this program, please and please don't forget to subscribe. If you are subscribed, don't forget to on your notification bell. That is it. For more video, please subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you won't see my previous video and next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.